Welcome back to Preno's Hotelier Handbook Series. I'm Scotty, and today we've got a special feature for you. A comprehensive guide on hotel housekeeping packed with actionable tips to elevate your guest experience. In this video, we'll explore the transformative 5S system and a meticulous 10-step cleaning process. We'll guide you through each step, from effectively organizing your space to ensuring every room meets the highest standard of cleanliness. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of actionable strategies to elevate the guest experience. We've all heard those horror stories, right? A guest walks into what should be a cozy and inviting room only to be met with, well, let's just say less than stellar conditions. It's not just about the ick factor, it's about what this neglect says to your guests. Guests talk, and in today's world, they're not just chatting over coffee, they're sharing their disappointments online, impacting potential guests and frankly your bottom line. So, as we gear up for the nitty-gritty of housekeeping with the 5S system and Preno's 10-step cleaning process, let's keep it front and center. Top-tier housekeeping is a non-negotiable. Great housekeeping isn't just about cleaning, it's about having smart systems. The Japanese 5S system is an excellent blueprint for improving your housekeeping. Let's unpack them together. First on our list is sort, where we embrace minimalism. It's about peeling back the layers to reveal only what's essential, making every space not just clean, but also streamlined. Have you ever experienced the zen of a minimalist space? That is the essence of sort, and it undoubtedly makes the lives of your housekeepers easier too. Consider your property's current layout and inventory. Are there areas or items that cause unnecessary delays and complications? What's one area you could declutter to make your team's job easier and your guest stay more relaxing? Next up, set and order. It's like a well-organized toolbox where every item has its place, reducing time wasted on searching. It's setting up a system where every item has a designated spot, reducing the friction of your daily operations. This step transforms chaos into order, making sure that every essential is just a reach away. Reflect on your daily routines within your property. Are there recurring instances where time is lost due to disorganization? What's the first spot that comes to mind that could use a bit of everything in its place magic to improve your overall service delivery? Shine is up next, where we don't just clean, we brighten. This phase is dedicated to making your environment not only spotless, but also inviting, enhancing the ambience of your rooms. Ever been dazzled by a clean, bright space? That's the goal of Shine. Think about the guest experience from the moment they enter your property. How does the cleanliness and presentation of your spaces influence these first impressions and then overall stay? Standardize is our fourth step. Here, we craft checklists to uniform cleanliness across all rooms, ensuring consistency. Think of it as your housekeeping playbook, clear, concise, and crucial. This step involves setting clear, uniform protocols that ensures every room meets your gold standard of cleanliness, making a high standard part of your housekeeping's daily routine. Evaluate the consistency of service and room preparation across your property. Are there discrepancies that affect guest perspectives and reviews? How can implementing these practices ensure a high quality experience for all guests, regardless of what room they stay in? Concluding our journey with the 5S system is sustain. Sustain is about making these practices enduring. It's the ongoing effort to keep your standards not just met, but exceeded, turning these steps into a continuous cycle of improvement. Assess the long-term maintenance of standards within your property. Are there areas where initial improvements have backslid over time? How can a commitment to sustain principle help embed these practices into your property's daily routine? Building on the foundation of the 5 S's, let's delve into the 10-step cleaning process, designed to address every aspect of your room's cleanliness. Ventilation is the first critical step. Opening windows serves a dual purpose too. It not only circulates fresh air, but also reduces odors and airborne pathogens. This practice is aligned with health recommendations for indoor air quality, ensuring a welcoming environment from the moment your guest enters. Next, we focus on linens and towels. This step is more than aesthetics, it's about hygiene and guest comfort. Research shows that clean bedding significantly impacts guest satisfaction, which is why you should adhere to vigorous standards for laundering and presentation. Rubbish removal is essential for maintaining a hygienic environment. This step involves not just clearing visible trash, but also checking for items that are left behind by previous guests. Proper waste management practices are crucial for preventing pest infestations and maintaining cleanliness. Dusting is key to removing allergens and maintaining a healthy environment. We start from high surfaces and move downwards, using microfiber cloths to trap dust effectively. This step is crucial for guests with allergies and contributes to the overall air quality of your rooms. Disinfecting high-touch surfaces is a critical step for guest safety, especially in light of health and safety guidelines. Use EPA-approved disinfectants to reduce the risk of pathogen transmission on your surfaces, like door handles, remote controls, and light switches. Bathroom cleaning needs to be comprehensive, addressing every fixture and surface. Use targeted cleaners to remove soap scum, lime scale, and bacteria, ensuring a hygienic and sparkling bathroom. This step is vital for preventing mold and ensuring guest comfort. Cleaning mirrors and windows enhances natural light and improves the overall appearance of the rooms. Use streak-free cleaning solutions to ensure clear views and reflective surfaces. This also contributes to the shine element from the 5S cleaning system. Vacuuming is not only limited to floors, it extends to upholsteries, drapes, and other fabric surfaces. This step removes dusts, allergens, and small debris, improving air quality and contributing to the overall cleanliness of your rooms. Restocking amenities is about anticipating guest needs, from toiletries to coffee and tea. Ensure that all items are fully stocked and presented in an organised way. This attention to detail enhances the guest experience and conveys a sense of care. The final check is your commitment to ongoing excellence. This comprehensive review ensures that every aspect of your room meets your high standards, guaranteeing that guests are welcomed into a clean, safe, and comforting environment. Each of these steps is grounded in industry best practices and contributes to improving the overall guest experience. Alright, let's chat about a Preno feature that's a game changer for making your guests feel like VIPs when they stay. You know how tough it is to keep track of all those little details that make a stay special, right? Imagine a guest who loves extra fluffy pillows or has specific dietary needs. With Preno's guest profiles, you jot that down once and it's there for every visit. Your team can peek at these profiles and prep everything to perfection. In short, Preno turns those "oh, you remembered" moments into everyday standard. Pretty neat, huh? We've navigated through the 5S system and dived into our 10-step cleaning process, equipping you with solid strategies to enhance your guest experience. If you found these insights helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more hotelier tips, and share the knowledge with your network. Keep refining your craft, and remember, every detail counts in creating outstanding guest experiences.